Okay, we should be back. I'm hoping if I've done everything right, I should be live on Twitch. And now all the birds come out everywhere, of course. Okay, so I still cannot use the. I don't understand this. I've updated the app, I've reinstalled the app. It's like they've completely broken the chat box in the new version. Yeah, I legitimately can't. You cannot cheer in your old channel. I'm not trying to cheer, I'm trying to type. I can't believe they've broken it this badly. It's just permanently stuck on cheer for your first badge. You cannot cheer in your own channel. I'm not trying to cheer in my own channel. I'm just trying to send a message. This is super weird. Yeah, like the send button doesn't come up. I wonder if... Yeah, it worked in here. I don't understand why it's completely broken on mobile. That is weird. And yeah, it's working in here too. Not really sure. Hopefully the audio and everything's good. Is this just like so low that it's... I think it is. It's so low that it's clipping. Maybe I have to leave it up a little higher then. Okay. I think here what we should probably do is... Because what types of entities are there? Find uses. How do I find uses not in my project? Yeah, I want to find uses elsewhere. There's a bunch of different entities. Because there's like... What if I just type into entity? Yeah, play... Ah, here we go. Block entity, player entity, living entity. What if we just get block entities and player entities? Block entities, living entities. Would these include living entities? That's all of them. This would be player entities. So this would be all the... I would assume this would be all the players in that world. So it would be like player count for that area. And then we'll also get block entities, right? Why can't this be of no instance of type exists? Oh really? A block entity is just an entity. Okay. Radio. I do wonder if this includes both of these. Zero entities, players, living things. Living entity size, player entity size. I wish we could. Where's the margin? And I want to remove that margin line. AJ, idea, hide line on screen. I don't know what it is. Here it is. Yeah, preferences, editor general. Editor general. Appearance and unchecked hard wrap. How am I missing indentation guides? No. Where's hard wrap? Oh, here. Oh, that is so much better. That is so much better. I was gonna go over anyways. Like, what does it matter? Okay. Is my mic working? Yes, hopefully. Here's hoping everything's good. Alex, Vin, where are y'all? Oh god, Alex, what the hell did you just post? Why does that look so cursed? Okay, 0 entities, 0 players, 0 living things. That makes sense. Client. Am I getting tagged? Oh, my stream code saying that I'm live. That makes sense. Fabric. MC connect. Yeah, how do I connect to? How do I connect to the server? I'm gonna have to go ask in the Discord again. I guess for now what I'll do is just no, where's the server? Stop the server. Goodbye. Yeah, just run the client and then the client can start the server this way. What do you mean blocked is null? Is that because I'm hitting the air? Oh, that might be why. Where's create block JSON used? Yeah, here. What we're gonna do is if we're just not gonna handle it unless it exists. I bet you that's probably what it is. Though I don't know why a block breaking event's happening when you're hitting something, but I don't know, that just seems to be what it is. I wonder if there's a way to fix this to actually use your actual Minecraft session. It's kind of annoying that it does that. Okay. So right now I haven't whacked anything. I haven't thrown any arrows. That is me whacking a thing. 12 entities, 12. Why are there 12 players? What? How are there 12 players? Like, are you guys considered players? I would assume that's what it's talking about. me joining the game. Okay, and then kill at. Is A for all? Player was killed. Killed player. Right, respawn. What does it look like in our events box here? Does that take you to the newest? Yes. Okay, so the chunks loading. It looks like the chunks loading actually works now. Ooh. This I don't think is right. This we're just gonna change. Oop. Instead of that, what we're gonna do is count. Okay, and then we're gonna go and we're gonna make this. There's no chunk unload event, which is interesting. So if I expand this, what I'm now interested in is if I jump in here. This is a cursed resolution. Yeah, if I go flying away, we're gonna get a bunch of chunk load unload events. I'm not seeing the unload events pop in, which is the weird thing. Is there a way for me to go faster? Oh, the little village. Also, I'm curious on why these events aren't popping up quicker. Maybe they're not popping up as fast in the background because I don't know. Let's dump something in that says when we actually flush these and how many we flushed. Oh yeah, we create the payload. What we probably want to do why does it always do that? Save the size of the events. Save how many events processed. Number or int, I guess. Event count, event size. Actually, we could just print it here, I guess. Logger.info flushing events. And then we're just gonna flush those. Yeah, that'll work. Let's restart. Hopefully the stream's working well. Though I did see a post me live twice. So I don't know. Who knows? Single player. Okay, let's bring you back down. There's gotta be a way to go faster in Minecraft. Okay. Where? Stop rearranging my bloody things. Okay. I'm not doing too bad. I am curious if they're getting set with the correct time and all that jazz still though. Minecraft set speed. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. No, I want to fly faster, but without changing the tick speed. Yeah, that's what I want. Let's try this. For 30 seconds. No, I want this for like 6. Okay, am I actually going faster? I really don't know. Oh, that's another thing I could try. TP at P for player. Oh, I just get to just use the player name. And then we can just go like a random place. Does that also cause? Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, and we got chunk unloads. Am I really high up? I think I might be. Oh wow, I was really high up. Okay, so chunk and unloads are working. That is good. Yeah, that's definitely working. Okay, I'm happy with that. Boom. Oh, I am fast as fuck. Alright. It's interesting how these are logging things out. Oh. Do I have to make like a copy before I do something with it or something? Ooh, yeah. Wait, what? Oh, so while it was being converted, it got accessed. Okay. So what we're gonna do is grab a copy of the events. Flush. Events. That should work, right? Then that way we're not actually accessing the events while something else is. I'm assuming that's what's happening because while it's going through, something else is grabbing it out of the thing. Let's see if we hit this again. Okay. Maybe no entity was found. Oh, we changed usernames. flashing 841 events. Kind of crazy how many events that this creates. Alright, we're not getting issues anymore. I think this might use slightly more memory, but I don't genuinely think that the bytes that we're sending are gonna be big enough that it's gonna matter. Like, even at 1,000 events, that's not much data. Though it is kind of funny how much stuff we've already sent up here. If we duplicate this, and this up here, this here, yeah, chat messages. I want you to be here. And wed. We'll implement chat messages soon. Where did you do that? Okay. So I think I'm gonna change this one to a number. Statistic. Oh, actually I like that. Though that isn't the actual amount of chunks currently loaded, which is annoying. Huh. I'm curious how we get the current amount of chunks loaded, unloaded. I think what we'd probably need to do is get a diff of all the chunks that are loaded and unloaded and get the average count of each. Oh, I'm gonna have to ask Ted how to do this. It'd be something similar to the other one that he showed me. But I'm guessing that's probably what needs to happen. Is we get like a diff between them. Yeah, there's something. What is going on? There's something weird going on sometimes when we press on these, and for some reason it seems to shoot me to the bottom of the page. Okay, that's very odd. This here though, it's definitely working properly. You can see how many chunks are loaded. What we realistically need to know is this point, not these points. If we could get this point, like right now, we're at 0. How do I get this value? Not this value. Could we do like this, take this? Let's check Slack. Because there was something that Ted sent the other day that showed kind of how to do this. Yeah, let's try it. That's right, then it's event is equal to chunk load. That's not. Is that? So I think we need the diff of those. Did we have that? Okay, yeah, I do have this. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I must have dashboards already then, because this is like a coded one. Play it. Maybe it's this one? Nope. Oh, I think it might be this one here. No, where do I have that query then? Because I sent it to Ted. None of these? Nope. I don't know where I was using that then. Okay, so what's the first one? Okay, where data's in either of those, and then sort by descending. Oh, sort by time descending. And then after this, we're gonna summarize loaded. Make list if and then event is equal to chunk load. Unloaded is equal to, and then we're going to do the same thing but the unloaded ones. Where the len of loaded and len of unloaded, right? Extend currently loaded loaded unloaded. Oop. Okay. That's wrong. There's definitely something wrong with that. I need to check with somebody, but there's definitely something wrong with this. I don't know. Can I just summarize the current? No. What do I end up with here? Oh, because we're diffing those. What we actually need to do is find the diff between these two arrays. Custo lang diff array of strings. Okay, that's hella confusing. Yeah, it's not what I want to do. Oh yeah, this might be it. Yeah, set different, and then I need like the length of custo lang get length of array. Okay, I wonder if this will work in Axiom. Guess we're about to find out. I need these. Set difference. It doesn't look like they have one. I have a date time diff, but that's not what I want. I need to be able to compare two arrays to each other. I have pack array. about I need array functions, not scalar functions. Oh, array functions. Yeah, how do I check them against each other? We can get the length. Returns a new array if the elements from the input satisfy the condition, right? The condition being index of... Yeah, if we go through each one, we check the index of in the other array. Okay, array 1. No, not index of. What's the one that we need on the outside? Array if. Loaded. When true, when false. There's got to be a way we can diff these. Because I was hoping that would take in a function, but it doesn't seem to. It seems to take in a when true, which I'm assuming is just an argument. Yeah. Like, we have ways to pack arrays, but we don't have any way to, like... Oh, this is annoying. No, I want to do, like, a check. And I have in, but in only checks singular. This is really annoying. Wait, what's the difference between a list and a set? Are they the same thing? Make set. JSON array. Oh, make set is a string. Okay. That should really be distinctive in here. I don't understand how we're gonna do this. It doesn't seem like there is a way. Because they don't give you any way to do a diff between two arrays. Oh, unless we do make list if oh wait, we can't use that here. Okay, I mean, yeah, we don't have access to an event here. Checked. Why don't we have access to an event here? Oh, I guess because we got rid of it when we summarized. This is really annoying. Okay, well, I'm literally going in circles with this. I think maybe we'll try and implement some other stuff and we'll come back to that. I'm gonna have to ask Ted if he has any ideas how we can do this, or we might have to bug somebody and see if we can get a compare array thing added. We've got to have a way of doing this. There's probably just something I'm missing. This is definitely working correct, I think. Though the fact it says 1 when this is in fact 0. Oh. No, we're being thrown to this when it reloads. That's what's happening with that. Okay, well I can update that linear ticket after. Now that I know what's causing the bug. For God's sakes. Okay, I'm gonna take a 5-minute break and get a drink, and then I'll be back. Okay, I think I found a way that we can do this. But I might be wrong. Did we legitimately lose our query? Oh, I forgot types. Okay. Where's our query? There it is. Okay. So what I think we're gonna do is we want to go summarize. Let me go find this. Duration. Max. Loaded. Min. Loaded. How do we select the first item out of loaded? What is the items out of loaded when we're summarizing? We just go like Presto, summarize array. Oh, that's so bright. Okay, so you have to do a data table, from what I can tell. What if we do that? No, I know that, but we want to do data table of like there. I don't understand how we can access this during the summarize part because we don't have a name to summarize on. Like we could go loaded. Number, type, right. And that'll be a date time when it gets passed through. As how do you cast in this? Custom cast. Oh, that's right. You have to do like a one of these. Oh, this is so complicated. Do we have ChatGPT? Yes. Okay. Raw data. Copy JSON. Ignore the sidebar. Let's just undo all of this. Yes, that's what we ran, right? The data above is from this query. Presto query. How do I fix the query so we get a count of how many things are loaded at each time? Loaded should loaded chunks which have event x, y, x, y. Same for unloaded chunks. Oh really? It's too much data? That's kind of funny. Okay. I mean, that is a lot of data. Let's cut this down to like only a handful. that's just 4. Okay, let's try this instead. They do have chunk X and chunk Z, which can be recast to X and Z. So okay, I don't think this is right either. Because this isn't showing as like a summarized thing. What if I just summarize a chunk of it? I think this might be... this doesn't feel right. Because like, why is there no graph appearing? Like the count, but like, why is... Do I legitimately need to go into one of these and do a Okay, why don't we get a time series for count? Huh. That's peculiar. What does time series need? My assumption is maybe... No. What does time series need then? And why does that not say anything when you do that? Oh, count by bin auto time. That's probably what it's missing. Okay. Oh, it's the last 30 minutes. That makes sense. Okay, so if we go over the last hour. I don't know if this is correct though. And yeah, we don't want the X and the Z. Yeah, let's do chunk event. Actually, I think this might be right then. But I don't know if this is unique. We can't do a decount, can we? Decount of X, Z. Expects one argument. Yeah, but I want a summarization of those two. I don't think this is correct. These numbers don't feel correct. And what happens if we put this as a statistic? 870, that doesn't sound like... That should be the amount of chunks currently loaded. And that graph in the background should be the chunks as they've loaded over time. if we do it as a time series, let's go back up. What if we do it as a chart and a result table? Yeah, let's load. Let's put this here. I think with a fair few of these, they're gonna end up being like the whole size of the page. I almost feel like we need to be able. Oh, why is that? Mac. That annoys crap out of me. Going back and forth by actually swiping. Okay, so this is interesting. If you've got no players doing anything on the server, it doesn't actually flush any events at the moment, because I guess we're not generating anything unless a player's on there. Yeah, I guess we're not. Okay, the amount of events. No, what's it called? World loading, create. Log entity. I don't want log entities in any of the rest of these. I was just for debugging, but I want to get rid of that now. I do want to log entities, but what I think I want to do is have another timer. Where's the timer? Yeah. Now, the one thing about this is I think I don't think you meant to use this because it's not multi-thread safe. But who cares? Every. In fact, do we have to put an LD in there? No. Good. I hate the fact that there's an L there. I do like the fact that we can use the underscore system. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, let's run this again. So this should every 10 seconds log the entities. And then we're going to start sending that up to Axiom. And then we should be able to see the amount of entities that there are at any one time. I also probably need to break them out into like what type of entity they are exactly. Yeah, there we go. 700 events, 600 events. Why do we have players that aren't actually players? Are you kidding me? Oh, okay, yeah, sure. Mob entities. That would be nice to know. No, not is mob or player, is, oh, actually, is player. Ooh, no, it's not what I meant to do. Okay. Wait, what did that do? No, that's not at all what I wanted to do. So I'm assuming what I need to do is player entity is player, and then I need to do a, yeah. So we don't want living things, mobs. We don't need this anymore. I wonder how many chunks it keeps loaded at once. I bet it's 1,000. But that's probably what we hit there before. Oh, this is really weird. I can see my cursor on my screen. It's not properly locking into Minecraft. Okay. Oh, I guess it's probably all the chunks loading. Can we just do that P? Yeah, we can. Last 5 minutes. Yeah, this is just it loading them. This isn't how many are loaded. Because, I need to work out how to do this properly. I'm about to show this up at the top here at, or like cumulative, I guess. Because this shows 1,000. If we go edit, statistic, chunks loaded 1,000. So that is correct for this, because that's additive. Right, because if I go like this, chunks loaded 1,000, right? Ooh. Let's send me to 0, 0, 0. Okay, that's also not correct because now that it's not within this time period. Oh, that's really annoying. This is not how many has loaded, this is how many have loaded within this time period. Oh, I hate statistics. Statistics are a pain. Okay, so if I just shoot around the place. Okay, that's interesting. If I go the last 3 hours. Last day. Yeah, I'm definitely not doing this right. There's gotta be something that I'm missing. Oh, so now over the last day it says that when... okay, that's annoying. Yeah, I'm gonna call it quits here because I'm just not getting any with the queries. But good stream, I guess. See you guys next time.